Welcome to Taiwan community. The following is a tutorial on how to spot trade on OKX app. In this example, we'll buy BTC with limit order. Step 1. Log into the OKX app and acquire base currencies such as USDT through the Buy Coins section or by directly recharging your account. On the trading page, click on Transfer Funds. Select the currency to be transferred. USDT, enter the amount to be transferred, and transfer it to your trading account. Step 2. Go to Trade, then Spot. Select a trading pair, such as BTC or USDT. Step 3. Enter the price at which you want to buy BTC and the order amount. You can also use the percentage bar to the right to specify how much of your balance to use for the order. Select Buy BTC. This is Taiwan Blockchain Community. Welcome to subscribe and join us.